Alright, today we're working on a Toyota CHR for my brother. And we're doing the brakes. Alright, so you popped all them?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's just do it just a little more.
Still a little tight.
Yeah, sorry. Okay. Now when we pick it up, it should be easy. It's just because the tire's leaning on it.
Yeah.
So now I'll use the thing and twist it to the right. Remember the specific spot it going?
Yep.
See that little gap? Right here. That's where it just needs to be, up against that. Alright. Removing the lug nut so we can take off the tire. And always set them somewhere safe so you don't lose them. That's the main one that's not trying to come off. Right here, so. My bad.
No, you good.
Yeah, use the. Alright, so I got a 13 for these two bolts, and I got a 19 wrench. So now, and I'm gonna have you do the bottom one, brother.
Oh.
Alright. Just getting this one off. Have my brother take over. Just what we're removing. You gotta go up with it.
You said go up.
Yeah, go back. No, the other way. That's how you gonna break it.
Go back the other way?
Yeah, like that.
Oh, okay.
Exactly. Now you can do that until it fully comes off, or once it get loose enough, use your finger. Still keep that 19 on there. Pull that caliper off and put it up top.
You put it up there like this.
Yeah, just like that.
See that C-clamp?
C-clamp. You remember how to open it fast?
Yeah, right here.
Yes, sir.
So you gotta watch out for that red dust, right? I say you gotta watch out for that red dust, right?
Yeah, for the brake dust. Yeah. Just don't be banging it.
Yeah.
You know, just as long as you move smart with it, you good. Alright. Righty tighty. You can hold that or you can let it go and just hold on, hold on to the other metal. And then you just worry about twisting it. Yep. Pushing that caliper in with the C-clamp until it's all the way flat. Till it can't go no more. Yep. Removing the old brake pad. These are early warning system. Usually aren't needed, especially when you know how to do brakes. So you can remove that off. Then put these in. Stop it. Hand me the and make sure not to breathe this dust in, because it's dangerous. Alright. Final step. Alright, the ultimate test. Yes, sir.